Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix game not working issue in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now in order to fix the problem, first of all you'll have to check whether your internet connection is stable or not. And if internet isn't the problem, then click on the settings application. Scroll down and go to apps option. Click on Manage Apps. Here in the search bar, type in Mobile Legends. Click on the Storage option. Here, click on Clear Data option. Now tap on Clear All Data option. And if you're sure, click on the OK button. This will clear all your data from Mobile Legends, and you'll also be logged out from the game. After this, go to Mobile Legends app and sign in once again. So that is how you can fix game not working issue in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.